What's up, guys? FPV here, and today I have our FPV crate for March 2021. Yes, I'm actually going to be doing this a little bit differently, but I'm always wanting to just do it face-to-face and do an unboxing instead of just doing it over there on the workbench over there. So I'm going to try it out this way, see how everybody likes it. Leave a comment down below if you like it this way better, or if you just want me to go ahead and go over the bench and unbox these boxes. But without further ado, if you don't already know what these are FPVCRATE boxes. They have tons of parts inside. Everybody gets the same box, and every month they send us over a box with goodies. Of course, we paid for them, but it's like a little surprise, a little Christmas surprise every month if you're interested in picking up a box. Plus, not only that, you also get some extra parts. Say, you get a VTX or get, motors or something. You get to put those to the side. You can save them up to build something, or you can go ahead and use them as some extra parts if you crash and mess up one of your quads. But I will be leaving an affiliate link down below if you want to check out FPVCRATE. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this month's box. So, I already got all my stuff over here. So I'm going to put this thing right here. Alright, so it looks like we got in our bag, well, it looks like we got a bag. TBS bag. Cool. It's actually pretty big. It's a lot bigger than the other one I think we got a while back. And I'm going to open it up and see what's in here. Okay. Nothing in there. And now for the big one. Alright, so there are some things in here. Okay, looks like we got some interesting props here. We got some Ethics P3, pretty much peanut butter and jelly props. And they're bi blades. So we got 3 sets of these. Cool colors. I like the colors, definitely. I haven't really messed a lot with bi blades. I've been mostly just using tri blades. We also got ourselves, what is this thing? I'm not sure what this is. Let's open it up. Alright, there's steaks in here and whatnot. There's some steaks in here. Is it like a little canopy? What does the card say about it? It's a fly mat, so you can put that down on the ground and land on it. That's exactly what it is. And, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, it's stickers for this month. Stickers. Pretty cool. And looks like for our little boost item, we got a Pacer 50 amp ESC 6S 32-bit ESC. It's a 30 by 30. Yes. It is. I believe so. I'm looking here at the back. 40, yeah. So, yep, that is exactly what we got for this month. A Pacer 50 amp ESC, 6S, 32-bit. It's a nice ESC. Definitely, it looks beautiful. I'm going to take it out of the package and take a look. Oh yeah, that's definitely a nice looking ESC. See if I can show you all right here. Come on, camera. Focus. There you go. Somewhat better. Pretty cool. Nice looking ESC. But that's what pretty much we got for our crate this month. Pretty cool stuff. I like this kind of landing mat. Never thought to buy one, but definitely will be using this, putting this in my bag. This big giant bag. It's nice to put some extra props or whatever you need put in there. Pretty cool. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for March 2021 of the FPVCRATE box. So that pretty much brings me to the end of the video. That's pretty much it. I'll be leaving a link to the FPVCRATE boxes down below. Let me know and comment down below what you thought of this month's box, and if you like this format better than just me opening them up on the bench. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.